For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
Hola bafethu, bongani bobomnisi bafethu, ngicela subscribe ku Itiski TV.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. It's Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Orlando Pirates 2, upper FNB Stadium. Kumdlalo we-Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates is making sure ukuthi they are reducing that gap between bona and Mamelodi Sundowns. Sakhumbula ukuthi coming to umdlalo wanamhlanje, the gap was 18 points, but Orlando Pirates making sure ukuthi they want to keep the gap as small as possible. It's 15 points, with Orlando Pirates still having to play 4 more games, but it remains to be seen ukuthi kuzokwenzeka ntoni na. But esawuthetha ngayo thina namhlanje is what happened namhlanje apha ke FNB Stadium, where uRelebohile Mofokeng scored a brace against Mamelodi Sundowns. Remember the last goal he scored, it was in the Nedbank Cup final back in June last year. But uthetha ngalamdlalo wanamhlanje, I've got uBobo. Bobzini, mandikubulisa mfowethu kunjani?
Shane, how's it my brother?
Since 2020 mfethu.
Ushap.
Since 2020 mfethu.
Ngiyabona ngathi uhappy mngani wami.
Mfethu, since 2020. I should be happy. I mean, since 2020, the last time Orlando Pirates beat Mamelodi Sundowns was back in 2020.
Yeah.
2019, just before COVID.
Yeah, I think it was 1-0.
1-0 Orlando Stadium, Kabatino Mango. Yeah. But namhlanje, it was a different ball game. Orlando Pirates coming on to win against Mamelodi Sundowns. An important win for Orlando Pirates. But before starting the Pirates or Sundowns, uzasichaza ukuthi ubone kanjani umdlalo namhlanje.
Shane, ithi ngibulisa my brother futhi ne. Shane, ngibone coach Rivero namhlanje angenzela into ebengacabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe angayenza. The way ngimbone ezengakhona kule game. Ungahleki Shane. Ngiyambongisa
I know where you're going, but
ngiyambongisa coach Rivero collector the maximum point against Mamelodi Sundowns. Shane, the way ezengakhona ngibongise futhi nabadlali abafana nabo Maghupa. Ngihlala ngisho ngithi uMaghupa umdlalo ngeke ungamdingi when you play against the Sundowns. You know ukuthi the way iPirates idlale ngakhona bawinele game the first 15 minutes.
First 10-15, yeah.
Yes. Convert a lot of chances out too. I think kwenze ukuthi Orlando Pirates is winning the game mongabheka because they managed to score early. La khona ngibone after that Orlando Pirates bengana stingo kakhulu sokupress iMamelodi Sundowns. Le game cishe ifana negame yase Loftus. Pirates were dominating Loftus, Sundowns yasebenzisa amathuba. Even today Sundowns be dominate ngeball position. But the Pirates isebenzisa amathuba yahamba yohlala kuphi yahlala emuva. Sometimes low block, sometimes ishaya mid block. So kuyisebenzele kakhulu. Umunye umuntu angathi coach Rivero approach le game mhlambe ngokusaba iMamelodi Sundowns. But into ahlanganiphe ngayo ukuthi attack kanjani after ngwina le ball. You can play a low block, that's not a problem. Ama tactics ukuthi uwaletha kanjani egamini. But at the end of the day, attack kanjani, uphuma kanjani lapha kule low block yakho. So ngibone kakhulu iSundowns iPirates isebenzisa la side le left back. Ngihlala ngitshela Shane ngalela side le left back whereby kudlala uSores as a center left. Mawungabheki igoli eOrlando Pirates yokuqala basebenzisa kakhulu lela side. Bheka uMaghupa ukuthi wenzeni. Yes, the pitch omunye umuntu angathi ipitch islippery, but donke amaqembu adlala khona. Uma ungabheka bonke nabadlali beOrlando Pirates abo really ngibone nabadlali abafana noShenko they managed to change amaboots kusho kona ukuthi lela pitch ngihlala ngisho ngithi iFNB njalo. So that's not the excuse Shane. Into ekhona ukuthi Pirates idlale kahle. Look at uMaghupa the way edlale kahle ngakhona. Ukupressa lapha phambili kwaMaghupa kuyinceda kakhulu iOrlando Pirates because basebenzisa abadlali abawu2 uMaghupa noMfukeng ukuwina le game up front iOrlando Pirates. Beka uma fika uMaghupa katatazeli irun yakarile. Poor defense kuMamelodi Sundowns uma ungabheka. Urile lapha lithole khona le ball. Bekunama defender I think awu3. If I'm not mistaken beka awu3. Umuntu ibebeka sele emuva but kunomuntu awu ngiyacabanga okwakhave kulela side. You understand? Yeah, I think uSores uye umdlali beka sele emuva then umdawu nomudiba yiba abantu abakhava kulela side. So ngiyacabanga give credit kulabadlali abafana nalaba because basebenzisa amathuba Shane weOrlando Pirates. So ngilento engizama ukukutshela yona ukuthi Orlando Pirates ize ngenye indlela Shane. Bheka the 3 center back abaze ngayo. Give credit to boy Umbogazi. Congratulations to Umbogazi ukuthola le man of the match. He did very well to close down nabadlali abafana nabo Reynas, abadlali abafana nabo Ribeiro. It's not easy Shane. So the way uboy adlale ngakhona ukuletha umdlalo ofana noSibisi noXoki noMbokazi badlala bayi3 lapha ku center back whereby sibona umdlalo ofana noHoto ubuyile udlala as a left back when iPirates defense but uma iattacker uya-attacker as a winger uReally ungena phakathi ukungena kwakaReally phakathi ubalekela abadlali abafana noBumtawu ubanikeza lesa space uyangena uReally uface ubani uface uKekani uKekani usebenze kanzima today ukudila nomdlalo ofana noReally uma akhatha in bheka ngapha uFan Rooyen uyakhuphuka uyabuya uma ngabe ubona ukuthi okay Sundowns manje ifuna ukubuilda uyabuya uya-underlapper uzo-eda kule ya defense central defense ye Orlando Pirates so that banganikezi Sundowns space igame bayiwina lapha unikezi Sundowns space kuphi lapha kule front 3 yeMamelodi Sundowns so ngiyacabanga ukuthi Orlando Pirates game plan yayisebenze kakhulu cage basebenze kakhulu for game plan yabo ukuthi bagcina badila ngale front 3 yeMamelodi Sundowns pheka uMakhawule bebabekena noMbatha phambili badlala ila ngisho khona ngithi uShenko udlala eze number 10 but ujoyina ubani ujoyina uReally kule position because mawungabheka uReally bekalibulala lela winger bekangadlali wide uReally njengoba umjwayele and it's dangerous makhatha in bheka lamabhola ukuthi amthola kuphi uReally kusho khona ukuthi bekadlala eze double number 10 beyangadlali eze winger lela winger it's a half winger because bebalibulele basebenzisa uHoto kulela side ukuthi mangabe ba-attack kube uyi-attacker but give credit to Orlando Pirates ukuthi nebhola bebangalicini too much ibhola bengalicini because already bascore amagoli awu2 so i-game plan yabo isebenzile so chain kuza kuMamelodi Sundowns I think we started very well as a Mamelodi Sundowns team ngiyacabanga ukuthi the problem uconsider early the more consider early uyayichange i-game plan change akusase ngendlela okumele udlale ngakhona so kuyokulidela ukuthi manje you must chase because you are 2-0 down you have to chase ukuchase kwakho kuchange everything ngiyacabanga ukuthi nayi Sundowns the way they play ngakhona uma ungabheka they dominated in the middle of the park they were trying ukunokha ibhola kufika ku-Orlando Pirates but Orlando Pirates uma ibuye ipressa ngoMakhupha kuqala ipressa ngoReally kuqala so Sundowns they tried always ukuthi okay let's try to knock ibhola sizosiyofika uma ungabheka bayenzile lento first half but second half it was more kuMamelodi Sundowns because they were attacking more ku-Orlando Pirates but Orlando Pirates managed to close lawo space change.
Apologies for that. We were down there at the right there where the supporters sit, but the securities they said no, it's the our time there is over, so we should just come up and finish the interview. So don't be surprised. We started the interview on the other side, and then we are finishing the interview on the other side. But yes, when I look at the Sundowns, there was Uribero, there was Urenas, there was Ushalulile. Who was the other attacker of the Sundowns? Because I think there were 4 attackers, meaning that Orlando Pirates, if Bize gets stand-up backs as Zimbi Namhlanje, there might have been a problem. Meaning that Coach Jose Rivero by bringing as a stand-up back Z3, ikona into ayewa mhlambi way anticipate with Sundowns Namhlanje.
Yeah, it's because of Sundowns ayidlala ngama cross chain. Ayidlali wide ibuye phakathi ifuna ukudlala la kulama pockets so ngiyacabanga ukuthi ibonile ukuthi kudila nale front 3 especially lapha kule D-line la Sundowns ivama ukudlala khona especially ku Lucas Ribeiro naba namdlalo ofana no Adams no Allende so that bayenza lama box entries uyibulele lento leya that is why igcineni abancisha nama run behind the defense because yiko la Sundowns ingozi ngakhona so ngiyacabanga ukuthi game plan ya Coach Ribeiro isebenze kakhulu to deal nalama pockets nokuthi anganikezi Sundowns space behind the defense that is why I need to introduce umdlalo ofana noSibisi noXoki noMbokazi kule ya center bheka uMbokazi bekakhava umdlalo ofana noHoto if uHoto akhuphuka uMbokazi uyastretcha kancane udlala as a left back mangabe baluze shape but most of the time uyabuya no Van Rooyen sometimes uma baluze ibhola uyabuya uzojoyina kuphi uzojoyina kule ya center back kancane ukuthi ashiye lesa space whereby siyosebenziswa uMdiba lapha sebenzisa khona uzompressa kuphela if receive ibhola so ngiya understand ukuthi iPirates isebenzisela la side namanje ngisasho le left eMamelodi Sundowns uMdiba no Sores you must know Shane ukuthi irecovery kuMdiba ke good especially uma ngabe kumele amakhe uMdiba but he's good uma aneball umdlalo ofana noMdiba so yeah ngiyacabanga ukuthi ispeed sese defense eMamelodi Sundowns sikhawate kakhulu iSundowns because iPirates isebenzise khona lawo ma chances ukuthi ithole lamagoli watholile Orlando Pirates.
Sundowns might have lost the game but there were a lot of positives for Sundowns. I mean the ball retention in Sundowns was excellent. I mean they were more on the ball than the Orlando Pirates. Forget the fact that Orlando Pirates were parking the ball but I'm yet to see any team that plays against Sundowns and have more position than the Sundowns. And it was the case also again, Sundowns having more of the ball. There were a lot of positives for the Sundowns. What were those positives for the Sundowns?
Ngiyacabanga Shane ukuthi iSundowns ikwazi ukudlala lamabhola ehafini yeOrlando Pirates. But njengoba ngisho ngithi kuyisebenzela kanjani yini na kuyisebenzela uma ngabe izothola lawo ama pockets kuyisebenzela uma ngabe izothola lawo ama run behind the defense uyangithola so but for me the way coach enze ngakhona remember you can't just go pound to pound ne Mamelodi Sundowns knowing very well ukuthi kumele ucheck ukuthi quality onayo injani so bebazostrikeila kakhulu Orlando Pirates because uma ungabheka bebazama ukuvala lama space ukuthi Sundowns ingadlali la kulama pockets in the middle of the park igame siwina lapho that is why umkwena beka drop collect ama ball but at the end of the day kumele athole lawo ma space but beyangawatholi enough so ngisasho namanje Shane ngithi mina the game plan yaka coach Rivero ngisasho namanje no isebenze kakhulu for iMamelodi Sundowns kule game ukuthi iPirates ikhona ucollect the maximum point.
Well, Bobzit, thank you so much. All right, Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Orlando Pirates 2 at FNB Stadium. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafowethu, ama coach for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.